Good evening, everybody. Yeah, so guys, today I don't want to waste much of your time. Today I'll be teaching you the predator strategy. This strategy is for entry strategy when you are trading currency pairs. Yeah, so guys, without wasting your time, I just want to show you something real quick. Guys. Just stay tuned. Let me just go to your YouTube channel and just type Mr. Mbada. I have to explain something real quick before this video. So after clicking on the channel, make sure that guys you are subscribed and click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a video. So guys, this is my channel, and as you can see, there are a lot of videos, a lot of testimonies, and a lot of live trades over here. So for you, in order to search for strategies, for you to make it easy for you, just click on a playlist. So yeah, this is my playlist. There are a lot of them, a lot of videos over here, and I arrange them perfectly. So I want to talk about this boom and crash strategies. As for my mentees or as for my subscribers, you know that I've only posted 4 strategies over so far. This is the boom, and in these strategies they are only for boom and crash. So I realized that 40% of my mentees, they are from Europe. And as you know that if you are holding an European passport or EU passport, you are not able to trade this boom and crash. You are not able to trade these synthetic indices. So yeah, that's why I've decided, to have another strategy, for currency pairs, another strategies for Nasdaq, another strategies for Forex, So yeah, this will be the strategy, the predator strategies. Yeah, so guys, it is what it is. I'll be teaching you the strategy today, right now. So guys, just stay tuned, guys. So yeah, let me pause the video. I just want to show you something real quick. As you can see, guys, I gave the signal somewhere here, right around here, guys. As you know that I use the bulletproof strategy. I gave a sell signal here and see what happens, man. You're enjoying the ride. So let me just show you, man. I gave the signal in my Telegram group. Let me show you, guys. As you can see, guys, this is my this is my, I think, my VIP. Yeah, this is my VIP channel, and I've got only serious students over here. So let me just show you, guys. I gave the signal here. Let me just show you. Yeah, this is the signal. I gave it in the morning. It was a sale, guys. So I will be teaching you this entry strategy which I used on giving this signal, guys, and see what happened. I mean, what happens is history, man. I gave only 3 signals in my VIP, and I gave only 1 signal in my free channel. And as you can see here, I was quadrupling the account. As you can see here, that's the balance, man. That's the balance. And see the equity, man. And see the profit, man. 1,200 US dollars, the profit. And see here, GBP odd, man. Only single trade is something like 412. Man, almost close to the balance, man. You quadruple the accounts. If you trade with Mr. Mbada, you will never go wrong. Let me not talk too much. Let me just go and show you the strategy. Let me just go right now and I show you the predator strategy. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned. Yeah, so beautiful people, yeah, make sure that you are on your MT4 platform or MT4 trading platform. Yeah, so the first thing which you have to do, make sure that you have got a clean chart, something like this. So after having that, make sure that you go to this indicator. Just follow my arrow, guys. Just go to this indicator and click over here. And after that, click on Bollinger Bands. So after clicking on Bollinger Bands, make sure that the period is 34 and the deviation is 1.619. The shift is 0. Apply, make sure that you apply to close. In this style, make sure that the pixel is 4, man. Make sure just follow as it is, guys. And just click here on the color. Just click this color. I don't know what you can call it. Just click it here. And after that, done. Make sure that you click here, done. After that, and it must appear something like this. And then after that, guys, just click again on this indicator window and just click here on this plus button or something like that. And after that, we are going to look for a relative strength index, guys. We are going to look for relative strength index or RSI, guys. So after looking for a relative strength index, make sure that the period, guys, make sure that the period is on 30. Make sure that the period is on 13, and make sure the apply is to close, man. After that, make sure that the style, the pixel, the style here is 3. So after, make sure that the style is 3, and make sure that the color, just put the same color as I'm putting, guys. Don't put your own color over there. Take note of the color. Don't put your own color over there. Yeah, so guys, after that, the most important over here is here on the levels. Just click on the levels, guys. That's where it is the most important. Make sure that is we have got 8. And if you have something like 2 levels here, just click this add this plus button. You can add the levels. Make sure that there's 8, 9, and 10. And make sure it's strong sell, and strong sell. And the pixel, make sure it's 4. And the color, guys, take note of the color. Right? On this strategy, the color is the most important. Take note of the color. And just click back and just click done. As you can see, this is our strong buy indicator. So make sure, and we go back to the indicator again. And make sure that, guys, you click the year on the indicator window 1. You click this add sign. Don't click on the main chart. Click here on the indicator window again. So after clicking here, guys, make sure, guys, you go on the relative strength index again. So after going on the relative strength index again, make sure that, guys, you click here. The previous was 13. Here we are doing the 12th one. Yeah, so guys, it is what it is. Make sure, guys, we are copying as it is. Don't make mistakes, guys. Don't make mistakes. And so here, guys, make sure that the pixel is 3. And here on the levels, that's when we are going to change nearly everything. Make sure, guys, here on the levels, make sure, guys, you change these levels according to what I'm doing here. Yeah, so change here to 90 and change here to 91. And change here to 92. Yeah. And make sure the pixel is 4, guys. Make sure that the pixel is 4. And over there it's written strong buy. Make sure that you change it to strong sell. Make sure that you change it, everything over here, to strong sell. I'm doing that right now. Make sure that you change everything to strong sell, as you can see, guys. Yeah, I've changed it to strong sell. And over here, as for the color, we are going to change the color. We are going to put it on red. Make sure that you just follow my arrow, guys. It's simple. And back and click done. As you can see here, it's strong buy and strong sell. Simple like this. Yeah, so we go again to the indicator window. And don't add anything, guys, man. Don't be funny, guys. Don't add anything on the main chart. They must make sure that there's only Bollinger Bands. And right now we are going on the indicators window and just add, we're going to add another indicator. Here the indicator which we are going to add is the moving average. So guys, yeah, it is what it is. As you know, guys, if you trade with Mr. Mpada, guys, I just wanted to remind you, if you trade with Mr. Mpada, you know the motto, you will never go wrong. It is what it is. Make sure, guys, the period you put 5. The shift, make sure it's 0. The method is exponential. And apply, make sure you apply to close. And the pixel is 2. The color, guys, take note of the color. Yeah, and just click done. Yeah, so guys, it must look something like this. And we are going again, man. We are going again, and we are going to the indicator window 1. We're going to add the moving average again. Don't change anything over here. We are only changing the period. And the period, we are changing it to 5. We are changing it from 5 to 8. I'm sorry. We are changing it from 5 to 8. And don't change anything over here and just click done. And we're going to do the same thing again. Just click here and just click on the indicator window 1. Moving average. Don't change anything here, guys. We're going to change, I think it's from, we're going to change from 8 to 12. We're going to change from 8 to 12. Make sure the shift is on 0. It's exponential. I'm changing right now. Yeah, guys, it is what it is. Yeah, and make sure we go again on this moving average. We're going to add another moving average. Yeah, it is what it is, guys. As for here, we are going to put, we are going to make sure that everything is the same. Just to follow what I'm doing, guys. Just to follow what I'm doing. Here, we change it from 12 to 15. Everything is the same. Just do the same thing, and we add another moving average. As for guys, I've been preaching this all again and again. Don't change anything. Add another moving average and make sure it's on 21 and click done. And again, man, and make sure that you don't miss anything. Here we put only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 indicators. We are going to add more, guys. We are going to add more, and make sure here we are going to add another indicator, moving average, and here make sure, guys, you put 200. You put 200 indicator. Is make sure that it's on exponential. Make sure, guys, it's on close, and the pixel here we are going to change it to 4. The pixel we are going to change it to 4. And the color, again, we are going to change it starting from now. We are going to change the color. It was from here before, and we are just going to click it here, and then you click done. And this is the indicator we have just added. So yeah, and we go again on this on the indicator, guys. It is what it is. As I've been telling you guys, if you trade with Mr. Mbada, you will never go wrong. And we're going to add, I think we're only left with 2 moving averages. And just here we're going to just remove these zeros. We're going to put the period 2. As for the exponential, we're going to change from exponential to simple. And from apply, we're going to change again. From apply here, we're going to, it was closed before, and we're going to put previous indicators data. Man, it is what it is. Here the pixel, make sure it's on 4. And take note of the color. It was from here, and we are going just down like this. And the levels, make sure that they are blank. Man, make sure that you guys, you don't make mistakes. There's no room for mistakes at this level, guys. There's no room for mistakes at this level. So for now, I just put our last indicator. Let me just put our last indicator, which is our last moving average. Make sure, guys, here it's on 7. Make sure, guys, here it's on 7, and it's simple. Make sure it's previous indicator. And the color, guys, take note of the color. Take note of the color. Take note of the color. We are putting this one. Take note of the color. And it's done. Boom. Yeah, so guys, let me just explain to you the strategy. Make sure, as for me, I'm a daily trader. I trade at the high of the day and the low of the day, the bulletproof strategy. And make sure, guys, let me just tell you something important. This strategy it's an entry strategy. You can use it on its own, yes, and it can be something like 80% accurate. That is if you use the strategy on its own. But if you use the strategy, if you apply the bulletproof strategy, because the bulletproof strategy, it's purely price action. We'll be studying this charts pattern, the candlesticks will be, putting the high of the day and everything. We'll be introducing the bulletproof strategy. And after introducing the bulletproof strategy, we use these strategies for entry, guys. For only entry. It's for entry purposes, But you can trade it using on its own. Yeah, you can. Some of the guys they are doing that. But as for me, I encourage my mentees to use this strategy as an entry strategy, and make sure that you are having the bulletproof strategy on your back. But you can use it on its own, it's 80%. But if you add the bulletproof strategy, it becomes 98%. Which means you will never go wrong. Which means you will not be having any losing signal. 90%, as you know, guys, there's no 100%. If someone is telling you that I have got 100%, a winning strategy is lying to you. Is lying to you. Mr. Mbada, man, is lying to you. Telling that Mr. Mbada, I say that you are lying to us. So as for me, I like 30 minutes or 1 hour time frame. As you can see, I gave the signal in the morning. Man, that signal which I tripled or quadrupled the account, I gave the signal in the morning. So the first confirmation, this video, I don't want it to be too long. The first confirmation, guys, which you have to look for is for this, again, I'm saying this this candlestick, or this spike or something like that, is out of the Bollinger Bands. Make sure that it's out of the Bollinger Bands. See what it's doing, guys, man. I was not supposed to close somewhere here. I was supposed to wait, man. See what it did, man. I was supposed to eat, but I quadrupled the account, man. I must not be greedy, Yeah, make sure that it's out of the Bollinger Bands over here. Make sure this is our first, the first thing which you have to take note of. Make sure it's out of the Bollinger Bands over here on 30-minute chart or on 1 hour chart. And after the second confirmation is our moving averages. Make sure these moving averages, guys, they are close to the strong sell. Make sure all the moving averages are close to the strong sell. As you can see, this line here, this bold line over here, this is the relative strength index. Make sure, this one, make sure that it's not close to the strong buy. Make sure that it's not close to the strong buy. This one, it will be another perfect confirmation if you are using it. But for now, as for here, as you can see, somewhere here, which is perfectly fine. We avoid to enter it when it's somewhere here. That's when we avoid to enter. That's when you avoid to enter when it's close to the strong buy. So as you can see here, that was the entry, and as you can see, the line, man, the line. As you can see, just follow my arrow. I told my students to enter a strong buy over here, and we were able to triple the accounts, to double the accounts. I'll show you the proof, guys. I'll show you the proof and see what happened. So make sure the first confirmation that you must have some few candlesticks out of the Bollinger Bands. That will be the first confirmation. The second confirmation, these are moving averages, man. Make sure that these moving averages, they are close to the strong sell. Make sure this is our strong sell relative strength index. Make sure it's close to our strong sell, man. Let me show you another signal again. See here, it's outside the Bollinger Bands, man. It is outside the Bollinger Bands. That's our first confirmation. Our second confirmation, look at our relative strength look at here our relative strength index and our moving averages. They are touching here the strong buy, the RSI, the strong buy. It's touching the strong buy over here. The first confirmation, the second confirmation. And make sure that these are, as I told you, this is the relative strength index. Make sure that it's not close to the strong buy, and it must perform something like a V-shaped, something like that. And see what happens, man. You enter here and see what will happen, man. See what will happen. You will destroy the market. So as for example, if you entered here, for you to know when to close, make sure you close when the relative strength, when the moving averages is about to touch the strong sell. As you can see, it was about to touch the strong sell over here, and that's when you close. So which means you enter somewhere here, and this is these lines. As you can see, these lines represent a single day. You enter here and you close something like tomorrow in the afternoon, man. And if you are using the bulletproof strategies, you'll be trading the high of the day and the low of the day, which means you enter here as the low of the day, and this will be a perfect entry point, man. And you close on tomorrow's high of the day, man. You'll be destroying the market. As I've been telling you that if you trade with Mr. Mpada, guys, you will never go wrong. Let me look for another perfect entry. Let me look for another perfect entry. See here, guys. This was a perfect entry, guys. There were some few candlesticks out of the Bollinger Bands, and just wait. Make sure that your moving averages, they touched this strong sell, man. I just created it for you, this strong sell, and here it's also pointing to the strong sell. And then you sell and you relax. The rest of the day, man, you'll be pocketing. See, guys, you'll be pocketing until this, until these moving averages, they touch the strong buy. That's when you can enter. See here the ride. You entered somewhere here at the high of this day, and this day will over, man, and you'll be still destroying the market for 2 days. You'll be holding and destroying the market. Guys, it is what it is. It's like, I mean, I can even show you the perfect entries, man, from doing it every day. Man, see all of them. See, guys, what I'm saying. Another perfect entry. Another perfect entry. Just follow my arrow, man. Another perfect entry. It's out of the Bollinger Bands. It touched here. Enter a buy. It's strong buy, as you can see here. It's a strong buy. You'll be enjoying the ride, man. You'll be enjoying the ride, man. If you use this strategy, guys, and if you put the bulletproof strategy, guys, trust me, you will never go wrong, guys. As for me, I talk too much. I have a lot of confidence on the market. As you can see, it's still going down. As I told you, this was today's signals. I will enter somewhere here. And as for now, as you can see, it touches the strong buy. So which means I have to tell my mentees to close. Let me just do it right now, live. Let me just tell them. Let me post the video. Let me tell them to close the profits right now. Yeah, we are now in the VIP group. Let's just do it together, guys. Let's just do it together. Let me just say close huge profits for today. For today. You know, yeah, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Close huge profits for today. Yeah, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Let me just post what I'll go to. Yeah, it is, as you can see, guys, it's now starting going again because it has raised the strong buy. But if you want to hold, as you can see, this is this 200, moving average is still here at the top, man. Which means it will come down. So you can hold this trade for days and you'll be destroying the market. Guys, I don't know, guys. I don't know what you guys are trading out there, but if you follow Mr. Mbada, you will never go wrong. So guys, I think that's it for today. For those students who want to be my mentees, it's for free for now. I know for now it's for free. And I know, guys, if you will be late, you end up paying. But for now, it's for free. 100% for free. If you want to be my mentee, I'll put my contact number in the description box below. Just contact me. I'll tell you what to do. Man, perfect entries. Are you able to see what I'm seeing here, guys? It's okay, guys. I think I've explained enough. Yeah, it is what it is. And also may the grace of the Lord be with you all, guys. Make sure that you are blessed. And don't forget to stay safe on this coronavirus time. Yeah, Mr. Mbada is signing out.